Hello, welcome to my humble homestead gardenside chat. Today I am actually going to dehydrate some meat. I've got some ground turkey, I've got some ground beef, and I'm going to, that I made in my Instapot, and I'm going to dehydrate that up and I am going to seal it in jars. I've had so many deliveries come today, so I'm going to get this stuff taken care of, dehydrate it, and get it ready for my meals. I'm just going to and get some gloves on. So to make it easy, what I did was I literally just, and I took some pictures. I just got this. I got my meat order from the farmers today, and this was actually frozen. So I just put it in frozen right directly into the Instapot. And then I put a little bit of like a cup of water in the bottom of my Instapot. I put the trivet in there, put these three on top, and I just put it in there for about 28 minutes because I put three of them. I think one is 20 minutes, two is 23, and then I just did three for 23 minutes, just solid frozen. So I am just breaking it up, and then I'm going to just put it right. Oh, you know what? I forgot. I'm going to put the parchment paper on here. And that's how I did the chicken too. I just put it right on I shredded it. I did it in the Instapot, and then I shredded it with two forks, and I just put it right on the parchment paper. And then I did it at 160 in the dehydrator for it. It actually took like 6 hours. I thought it was gonna, I was prepared to do it for 12, but it was about 6 hours, and it was nice and hard. I made sure it was completely dry and hard. And then here's the chicken. The chicken I sealed up, I got. So yes, that's how I got the chicken done. And I'm going to do the beef that way. And then in a future video, I have several meals that I'm going to do. I'm super excited about. I ordered a bunch of bulk organic stuff. I'll also go over that in another video too. I know there's some, I was going to order from Azure. A lot of people order from Azure. I was really excited about that. So I went on there and I made a big Azure order, but then I saw that I had to go over an hour to get it over past Moorhead to get it. So I was like, oh gosh, I really like having my stuff delivered here. So I went through and I looked at every single thing I was going to order on Azure, wrote it down, how much it was, and then I just started searching for each of the items. And I was able to order almost every single thing that I ordered on Azure between Costco and Walmart and Amazon. So, and it was pretty close to the price, if not even a little bit better. So I just had a huge Costco and Walmart order and have been having Amazon come in every time. So if you want to bulk buy, make sure, or organic buy, and you're not able to do, Azure or, I've been doing Misfits for the produce until my garden's ready. We actually got snow last night. So we have a nice little small layer of snow. So if you're not able to, buy like 25-pound bags of things or whatever, I've been buying like 5 pounds because it's just me. There is a way. Just search it out. It is cheaper to buy the bulk if you want to get organic. So yeah, that's how I did it. I'll show you some of my things as I have all these glass containers. I've been ordering glass. These I'm gonna do. These I just got too. I'm gonna do some fermented. I have some organic green beans I got on Misfits. I'm gonna do some fermented green beans. I'm gonna start doing some fermented vegetables. This is what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, so here is kind of how my ground beef looks. And I'm just going to do this with the rest of the ground beef, and then the turkey and dry it up, seal it in the jars like this, and then I will use it for my meals in a jar. All right, I will show you the finished product after it is finished dehydrating. All right, and how crispy it is. You can hear how crispy that chicken is. And yeah, I just seal it up the same way. I do put a little bit of an oxygen absorber in the meats, just because it's meat. I just do that for myself. So, all right. Thank you so much. Please share and subscribe. It really does help me and my channel. Just kind of gets me known out there. And if I can just help a couple people, that's what I'm trying to do. So thank you so much. Have a great day and be blessed.